Sappers, that capture point needs to be ours, right? Royal Engineers.
Infantry requisitioned.
I agree.
Australia's finest.
What's the time? We're not fucking mitching, David.
Yes,
We're
I am,
taking
but-
that position.
There's no way I'm going to build
Not had orders
What?
of yonks.
section for
Sappers
sneers.
ready. Sappers, ready to destroy some poor bastard's handiwork. Position's ours. Spark up.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
That
Where are we
position.
going? Sandbag detail.
My strat. The rush.
Sappers, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
Infantry are standing by to deploy.
Light infantry engaged. There. Now, get this place locked down. Coordinates received. Capture it. Whatever it takes.
Sappers, time to march, boy. That capture point
Needs to be ours, right?
Covers complete. Secure in location.
Time for a brew?
You need light infantry? Shovels, picks, and a
Sappers,
shitload of
receiving
kit.
orders. Every round needs taken, boyos.
What have you got? Job's done. We'll have it in no time at all. Come on, give it a little haste. Light infantry have a lay into them.
Sappers, reported.
Listen up, all of you. Enemy fire. It's fucking bad.
Sappers reported.
Hit
Position
the
taken.
fucking mongrel.
Australian infantry support is reporting in.
Fucking
Hush, move it.
why?
What? We've got orders to move. So move. Apparently it's better
Commander,
over there.
open up, lads. Doesn't this is it. Get it captured.
We're not fucking.
Why do I keep getting scammed on model
Light
drops today?
infantry, here.
Awaiting instructions, sir. Not pack it up, lads.
There's something about the Australians.
Get moving.
Enemy infantry getting to top speed.
Aussies here.
Come on, bastards.
I'm bad
Take that
killing
position.
Hush up.
individual models and infantry firefights.
Good on you, mate.
Sappers reporting. That's far enough.
All right, lads.
He can't see me, I can't see him there, eh?
Oh, we're all tore up. Taking fire.
You need luck. Quit your lollygagging and march.
Sappers, to secure that position.
Infantry closing on us.
What's the task?
Don't have enough munis for a flame anytime soon.
Marching. Like we've never marched.
Sappers,
Infantry are standing by to deploy.
over.
What have you got?
Sherry's
Sherry's got
our
it
sights
in
and
front.
moving out.
Shut it. Like shit through a goose. Move.
We're all
Tore up.
We're losing a fuel point.
Where are we going? Get it antsy. No time for
all right, moving forward.
Waiting orders.
Sherry. He's
Off your ass. Oh, bugger me. Yeah, we're moving.
Fire on us.
Sappers, we're moving.
Enemy
No fucking
strategic
moaning.
point. Neutralize it.
Well, let's get some blisters for your
This is a situation where you go for the dingo.
Royal Engineers here. Roger that. Let's get started. Sappers,
Maintain distance.
eagles will...
Infantry.
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
They've opened fire on us.
You need light Gaza. Listen up, all of you. We'll cover.
Orders, sir. Yeah, we're moving.
A dingo recon vehicle has been made ready.
The handset moving. Get the brake ready. Ready? All right. Keep your knickers on. Come on. Repair us over there. You heard me. Stop this thing. Orders, sir. Sappers ready.
Go without a fight.
Hold the position.
Stop and wait.
Get the fuck out of here. We read you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, is that the new pathfinding?
Who's hex? Full throttle.
fuck was
We're
that?
going. All right. Keep your knickers on.
Platoon command.
I think it is, right?
Commander, take it all.
What's that order? Back up.
Move back now. Follow me.
Hoopsaya. Thanks so much for the raid.
Now then, head into our destination now.
What have you got?
We're losing a fuel point to enemy action.
Got some
Send your in over.
Welcome up, so viewers. Are you guys familiar with Company of Heroes 3?
We're moving out, chap. Stop, start. What now?
Ah, I've just been losing a lot of games. You know how it goes. Usual. It's the usual.
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
Right, throw it in reverse.
Royal Engineers here.
A munitions point is being overrun.
I won 1 game, lost 4 today.
Be on the lookout. We're on the move.
StarCraft 2, eh? Oh, I don't have the. I have this APM for that, mate.
Point is
Too
being
slow.
overrun.
Sapper, troopers on the move.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
We're under fire.
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Anything with that burst.
Fucking stop.
In case you StarCraft players are unaware, this game has got a lot of RNG in it, so I should like that for a little bit, but didn't do any damage to it.
We're losing a victory point.
I'll hold off on reinforcements here for a second so I can get my
Withholding
Stuart
reinforcements,
coming in.
Commander.
Oh, I suppose I didn't consider that, right? The Stuart
Victory
is
point under enemy control.
20 manpower cheaper now. I mean, that's got to make all the difference in the world.
The beggars
Right.
are threatening a fuel. A victory point is being overrun.
Vehicle needs a heading.
Basically GG.
Listen up, moving! Coordinates received!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Eagers will ever be.
And
We
we've got
shall
2 auto
reinforce
reinforce
in your
back
absence.
on. If
Sappers, get to follow in. We've got orders to move. Some contact with
come
the
over to
enemy.
this side,
Sector lost. Repeat.
it's got reinforcements
Sector
coming in.
lost.
Come on, chaps, we've got to move.
Aussie rats here!
Start, start. What now?
Capture it! Whatever it takes!
Dingo, let's give these...
Stuart's light tank. Tracked and ready.
You first.
Dingo under enemy fire!
Infantry
very
closing
good.
on it!
On my back! Right!
Aussies here!
The boss held
The
all
fuck was
victory
that?
points. Act now.
Oh no, dude! I'm pretty sure this is the. What was that? Is this what we're going to experience with the new pathfinding every time?
Listen up! All of you!
Ready, boys. Some poor bastards handy was job for us. I'll do
I
it
don't think
now.
I killed anything of his really there either as well.
This is it! Get it captured!
So I used to go
We've lost
commander,
the sector
if
to
I
the
remember
enemy.
rightly.
Landmines in
Ours
place.
now!
We're taking that position.
Where are we going? Rifles up, asses in gear! Good on you, mate. We've captured Definitely.
Yeah, like I think the problem is it seems to work at like extremely long ranges. Like I think it'd be fine if it worked that way,
Bear's finished.
like
Like a
for
ship
30
through.
range kind of gaps. But for much longer than that, I don't think it makes sense.
Lads,
All right,
let's
moving
get to it.
forward. Enemy
Far too
rifles!
close for
They're having a
comfort.
go!
Taking hits.
Split like we've never marched before!
Machine gun.
Sappers, sir. I'll wait there to move it.
We're taking losses here!
Move fires. Sappers, we're moving. Don't fucking I'll wait to move back.
A fuel point is being overrun.
Sappers, all that loud.
Fail! Grenade!
Field promotion. Awaiting orders.
Heavy machine gun and crew are ready for orders.
Sappers, sir. Cut them down.
I'm reminded of why I
We've lost a sector.
haven't been using the Stuart much recently.
Sappers, back to
Oh, I'm right. That's a picture
Royal
perfect.
Engineers, ready.
Let's get some
Mid-team
blisters
placement.
for your blisters.
Pretty happy about that.
We've got orders. On your feet.
We can do that.
Making headway to the target. Maintain distance. Infantry. Pin in the herd!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Sappers, apparently it's better over there. Shit! Enemy firing at us!
Flat.
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Let me guess. We should see the other guy.
Moving out. Quick, before they know.
Awaiting orders. Pack it up, lads. We're moving. Get to your orders.
Commander! There! Fuck! Now it'll be ours! Desert,
Our opponent is in control of all victory points.
See
Get
that?
this place locked down! Stop! Gaza!
The enemy battle group ability
Lock
unlocked.
it in, eh? Did I kill his Crutchitson? I don't remember killing it, but I haven't seen it for so long.
Repairs finished. Sappers, time to march, boys.
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
6-pounder ready, sir.
We've got orders to move, so move.
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Report in. You're the boss.
Just vision on this
Royal,
bad
let's
boy.
go that gear, boys. We're going.
Mortar.
Maintain distance! Infantry! Command! Report on contact!
We're under fire! Get it, Ansi! Take the position!
The enemy is pushing hard. We're down to 250 points.
Hold that flag down. Little souvenir, eh?
Wrecking duty! Use to stop this bridge!
We're losing a
What?
victory point.
Oh, I didn't put this on control 3. I was like, why is this not working at all right now?
6-pounder anti-tank gun
The
ready.
enemy has our victory points now.
Easy peasy.
Shoot carefully now! This one's follow! Stuart, making tracks! Solid up!
Not fast enough.
Back up! Back us up!
Sappers, report that John's better. We're not fucking bitching, David. We're taking...
He's got one of those, eh? And he's going for...
Stuart, get on it! Lazy!
What you got? Those buggers want our attention.
Are you shitting me?
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
We've got orders to move. So move.
What have you got? All right, move us forward!
Like 5 range away, dude. Come on.
Off your asses! Move!
We're on, lad. 6-pounder banging a vein.
Take cover!
Let's
Let
make
the enemy fire, yeah? Pack those bastards
I mean,
down!
there.
Ready bags, deploy.
Sap, let me guess. You should see the other guy.
Alright, do I need a second mortar?
You need light infantry?
A mortar.
We're raring to go.
Grand? I'll pass. Where are we? Rifles up, asses in gear! Good on you, mate! We've captured it. The lads are accounted for.
Sap hatching it up now.
Stop mucking about! Where are we going?
I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go for infantry training now.
We hear you've got trucks securing support.
Mortar tube and crew are available.
And I'm going to maybe go for team weapon training to see if my guys any rate of fire. They're 20%. So I'm going to train up.
Jump to it, lads. Are you on us?
The enemy have
And then
Position.
a victory point is being overrun.
go for
Relocating.
All right, spin it out. Engaging. You need light
All
infantry.
set.
the...
Sappers, deploy.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Maintain distance. Infantry.
We hear you.
Whatever it takes. Enemy rifles. We're having a go. Light infantry's in. Get it.
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Go for the
Watch it back.
archer.
Aussies on the line. Get this place locked down.
Royal Engineers,
Infantry
ready.
closing on us.
Sappers, round needs taken, boys. Sappers, white sappers. Controlling
Get
over there.
this back.
Nice to get Nancy. Keep on board.
Oh, Stuart's right there, son.
Under fire. Jerry's attacking us. Where the fuck did they come from? Landmines in place. Sappers on site. Get to a goose. Goose. Get into work. Tank gun, ready.
Oh, training.
Initiating rollout of battlefield commissions for the men.
We'll just lug this thing around.
We found Jerry.
Oh my god, he's back here.
On my ass, man!
Waiting on you,
What have you got? You need light infantry to maintain distance!
Invisible or something. How didn't I see him?
We're taking losses here!
Oh my god, I'm just missing shot after shot on that thing right now. It's crazy.
Listen up! Come on!
Oh my
HMG
goodness.
crew has been lost to
You
enemy
got me.
action. The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Come on, decrew this, please.
Here we go! Enemy fire! You fucking bad!
Oh my god, Stuart! Oh!
The Stuart tank has been lost to enemy action.
With AT gun! And plenty of shells to boot!
Eyes peeled.
We're roaring to right, man. Let's
The sector is in enemy control.
jump to it, lads.
Stand by the tube! The lads are account with you.
Don't you guys want to play a game like
Victory
this?
points for enemy action.
Doesn't run over the head! Where's our
Aye, we're
support?
no respite wicked.
Aussies here!
The enemy has our victory point now.
Fall back! Heads down!
A new
Alright,
battle group
what
ability
are
is
those?
yours to
Just
use.
the machine gun.
Ready for... We'll get it done. Sappers reporting.
Reinforced.
Sappers receiving or starting the work.
Dude, it's crazy. I don't think my Stuart landed a single shot on his vehicles that entire time.
What's the target? Come on,
It's like
Sappers.
5 shots taken, 0 landed.
Ready.
Crazy.
What you got for us?
We hear you've got trouble!
Ready to get to it.
Aussie rats here! Taking it from them!
We have 200 points remaining.
Get it done. Not had orders in
Weapon
yonks.
team!
What have you
Sappers
got? Ready.
We hear you've got stealing it out from under them!
Ready to fight.
The enemy has claimed a sector.
We're going.
Lads, they won't see
Take cover! Under enemy fire, yeah?
The beggars are threatening a victory point. Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Fire on her!
Victory point under enemy control.
rifle!
Heading out!
Here! Moving!
The enemy has claimed a sector.
Enemy territory! Get that flag down!
What have you got? Rifles
Think I can
up,
reclaim
arses
this?
in
Orders!
gear.
Jump to it, lads!
You need light infantry?
You have command
Maintain
points
distance.
available.
Infantry!
Oh my god, it's just out of range of me there.
Listen up! All of you! Let's
Let's get moving!
go! Aussie Gaza! Take the shot!
Oh, and I missed.
Sappers, that capture point needs to be
Gaza's
our
back!
point.
We're taking ground from them!
Royal Engineers here. Everybody needs cover.
We've never marched
Even us.
before! Top two, come on, Jay! Ship your
MG here,
asses!
say the word.
Work's done here!
Come on. The point won't
Aussie
capture
rats
itself.
here!
The enemy have taken our territory.
Sappers
Not
on
a good
site.
job
Little stroll into
Where
Jerry's
are we
line.
going?
Nothing to worry about.
Shovel securing location.
managing to keep his flak out of my
Lads are accounted for. Contact
BT gun's
forward!
reach.
Contact forward!
I think I should just tick up at this stage.
Shovels
Still
out, boys.
so far away from the
Company
archer.
command wants their people suspected.
I'm taking enemy
Not had
territory!
orders in yonks.
Weapons
Sappers ready.
6 right now.
Where are we going? Maintain distance! Infantry!
Shake a leg, you
We're losing a victory point.
Set fire! Get out of there!
Understood. We have top men on it. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Move! We in! March in there!
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Here, say the word. Ready into fire. Ready for action! Deploy! Now!
We hear you've got trouble.
Shovels away, lads. Combat patrol. Expect eyes
A
open.
capture point is being overrun.
Aye, we're split the trails.
We'll get there.
Sappers. Eagles
Fully
will ever be.
reinforced. Grab
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Tree attacking! Spread out!
Yeah, sure. We'll just lag this
All right.
thing around.
Return fire on those bastards!
Aussies, moving,
Our victory point is being
I need
overrun.
foot guard squad, right?
Awaiting orders.
HMG team ready!
Coordinates for tooth and
They're on
nail,
engage
lads!
on sight!
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Remember your training. Fast! Fast! Order, come on, bastards! Take that position.
Oh, what?
Awaiting, secure that position. Drive them out.
You got orders? All set.
Weapons ahead!
Heading into the bush.
Light infantry, here!
Come on, lads, there's work to be done.
Unit, weapon team! Move
I think I
out!
should have held off on taking it to hold the line.
Easy, hey?
Even though it did help
Five command
keep
points
my
available.
team weapons
Acknowledge.
alive during that previous
Aussie
push.
lads here. Securing
Could have
supplies
had
from
the
Jerry.
archer on the field instead, which probably would have been more valuable.
Sir, we're taking that position.
Infantry closing on us! What have you got? Let's get some quick. Get it all, come on! You need lighted? Jerry's around here somewhere. He's fucking gone!
Ready for action!
Territory sector lost, Commander.
Maintain distance! Infantry! Doesn't kill me off! Push up! You heard the commander!
You orders!
Get to
What'll
it!
it be? Don't
We've lost a sector.
Aussies taking ground!
Find cover, you dog. Cover! Infantry! Let them have it, lads!
Light infantry
Orders are
making
incoming.
hold!
Sappers, yeah? Singing from the same hymn sheet,
This is
Commander.
it! Get a capture!
Orders are coming in, men.
Report just in. The ability is ready.
Enemy rifle!
Quick as you please.
They're having a go!
Landmines laid and covered.
Light infantry engaged!
Front, we have our destination, lads.
Oh, here we
Infantry
go.
closing on us!
Right. Hold him for a moment. You got a chance.
Oh. Oh. Did I kill his whole squad? Did he have a squad inside that?
Heading back. Even numbers for us.
I don't see any bodies flying out, or maybe.
What you got for us?
Do you guys know if he had something inside that?
Archer DDs ready for construction.
Alright, lads, fall back! Infantry!
Should I rebuild this stew at this stage as well?
Pack it up, lads. We've got
Bit
orders.
of vision.
Jump to it, lad. Right, men. Let's look like...
Sappers reporting. This round needs taking by oil engineers, yeah? And here we're taking that position.
Get sorted out.
Sappers found Sappers. Fall back, we're ready.
Be behind
Let's go
cover
looking
there.
for trouble, shall we?
Engines chugging along. Where to?
Got work to do,
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Like shit through a goose. Move. Position taken. Tidy. Time for a brew?
Victory point lost. The enemy has control. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Waiting order. Run, Sappers.
We're losing a munitions point. Archer tank destroyers are available. Territory lost.
G-time's over, Jack.
Target!
Moving out.
Where are we
No
going,
bloody
you
great
Gaza? Come on, Gaza! Imminent G to knock out! There!
That's dead for
Finally!
sure.
Fucking hear myself think!
Moving anyway.
Right.
What have we got?
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Infantry closing on us! Aussies here! In there! Taking ground for us!
We're moving, Jack.
Get them back! Move!
We've got order.
Grenade munitions.
Taking enemy territory!
Down right now.
Not upset about that because I expect that to miss.
Up the pace, men. Steady now.
points remaining.
That's scary.
Heavy machine gun crew killed.
Alright, he's memeing on me, boys.
Victory point belongs to the enemy. We're losing a victory point to enemy action. Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Guys, come on! Give it a little haste!
You need a personal invitation.
Enemy rifle!
Shoot it! What are you doing?
Cover you, dog.
We're losing a fuel point to enemy action.
Infantry closing on it!
Fire from enemy infantry!
He's funking me up right now.
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Oh.
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
Weapon team! Aussie, recrew that gun! Ready to get to it!
Alright, I've got quite a lot of juice now. I don't have over repair. I think I just go for a Crusader. I need something on the edges, I think.
Make it quick!
Even though I'm probably going to die to his AT gun.
Get hunkered
Good
down!
as new.
This is where we
Repairs
make our
finished.
stand!
Hatching it up now.
We're going on long range vision mode here, boys.
Squad awaiting new order.
Aussie rats! Enemy strategic
What
point!
can the guard do?
Neutralize
Fire.
it!
Does this give me more range as well? Shit, doesn't tell me.
A victory point is being overrun.
Good as new. Repairs
You're
finished.
on control 6.
Sappers,
They still have 250 points left. Victory point under enemy control. A-15 Crusader is on station and ready for orders.
Ours now!
We're on, lads! Round
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
receiving orders.
Enemy rifles!
Ready. Rebound, Jerry. He's done too big.
We've 100 points left.
Sappers, we're ready. On the bloody stop.
A sector is in enemy control.
Get through us, huh?
pound of waiting
Good.
on you, sir. Have your tackle. Job to do.
At the ready! Where are we going?
Sight's owning him now.
We're needed back at base!
Sappers, ready. Job for us. I'll do it now, in a minute. Little stroll into Jerry's line.
We're losing a victory point.
Max range on them.
Infantry closing on
Pretty good, actually.
Listen up! All of you! Go for the head! Climbing up in the ranks!
The enemy has our victory point now.
Aussie's here! Get out of here! Retreat!
Lads, we've got orders.
God, I even had the Crusader.
Sappers, eager to shift on. That capture point needs to be ours, right?
I should have seen that over here faster.
Ready for... Let's get the job done. Engineer, say the word.
Not had all. Hatching it up
Harry,
now.
making headway to the target!
What's the task? Sound the
Alright,
retreat,
we're
Sappers.
in
All right, lads.
good condition right now.
Take the enemy sector.
So we go for
Armored vehicles are
training.
receiving frontline training.
Aussie rats here!
How much is the
Good as new.
Bofors?
Repairs finished. Sappers reporting.
The enemy is down to
5
200
population.
points.
That's not
Carry on.
too terrible. It's not awful.
Everything you see! Commander, our tankers have finished their drills, and not a moment too soon. The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Stop! Driver! Sit stop! Say that these orders!
Getting antsy! Call back patrol!
Vehicles only! Face down!
Goodness.
Object firing! Face down!
Commander, territory is being threatened.
Leader on the hook! Albert! Albert!
Lighting prepare!
We're losing a victory point
What?
to enemy action.
Oh,
Crusader
scheisse.
gone. No contact. Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Rifle enemy tank taking an interest! Aussies here! Get that into
Let's make it quick. No fucking door. Take the position, Southern.
Team weapon training then.
Rolling our training to all weapon teams.
Get moving. GS line going down. Sappers, hold the position.
Ready for onward to our destination.
Royal End, pack it up, lads. We're moving.
5-man sappers. It's my first time getting a Vet 3 one.
Landmines in place.
Team weapon training completed.
Royal Engineers, taking that position. I'll do it now, in a minute.
Right, let lively,
Stow
men.
that gear, Bob. That capture point needs to
Heading
be
in that
ours, right?
direction, chaps.
We're all tore up. Taking fire.
Target that panzer! But don't you dare miss!
Secure that position. Drive them out.
I need your attention! Seconds and cease order!
Far too close for comfort. Taking hits.
Commander, that's ready! Lighting retreat! Here!
Sappers,
Now, he's gunning for us! Aussies here! Get out of here! Retreat! Moving!
Jerry's his arm.
What have you sending our sights on the
Moving
ground?
up now.
Weapons will get there. Infantry closing on us!
Move back now.
Usually wipe that
This is
sapper
how
in
it's
one
done.
shot if I'm
The
not
enemy
careful.
is down to 100 points.
Jump to it, lads.
Our victory point is being overrun.
Where'd you want the big gun?
Royal Engineers, ready. Job's better than
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
6-pounder anti-6-pounder deployed. We'll cover here. Albert, open fire with range. Eagle, you got orders?
Report just in. The enemy is down to only 75 points.
Need a suspension shot. Moving anyway. Find the bump. Right, driver. Stop here.
Guy camouflaged over there, I know it.
So move.
Shovels away, lads.
They opened fire on us.
Come on, taking the chances.
Sappers, let me get.
Taking enemy territory!
Royal End, fire at that target.
Orders are coming gladly, lads. Heading out. Eagle, you got orders?
Even a stun shot here, he's cooked.
The beggars are threatening a victory point. Reports show the enemy has only 50 points left. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Shoot it!
Infantry, here!
And it was
Looking
shot.
for trouble!
ask
Aussie
forcefully
will have it in
sometimes.
No time at all.
Time to march, boys. Come on.
Orders, jump to it, lads.
Carefully now.
Hero, ready for trouble. Grab that gear and no bluff.
Jerry's run out of steam. They're down to their last 25 points.
He's trying to get me with a...
Here you've got
Like a
trouble.
Where do you want the driver? Get us tonight.
Trying to get me with a Goliath.
Maintain distance.
Not today, buddy.
Infantry.
We're moving. Get your hand, come on, bastards! Take that position!
Enemy rifles. They're having a go. Desert back. There. Now.
Sappers, apparently it's better over there. Move. Awaiting orders. We're moving.
Maintain
MG,
distance.
come on, orders received.
Infantry. There you are.
Once more onto the breach. 10 points remain.
So move.
Commander.
Hold the position.
We're losing a victory point.
Can't be too far off.
Desert infantry closing on us.
We're moving.
Victory is ours. Any excuse to crack out the good stuff.
Dude, it's... I don't know what it was, man, because I was shooting, like, kind of comfortably inside the attack ground range, but it refused to shoot for some reason. He lost a lot of momentum stalling up for the Tiger. Double mortars, I don't know, man. Don't have much else. Side taking to the bishop. No, it just doesn't. Oh, maybe. Doesn't feel that good though.